Fold all of your cords evenly in half and then just drape them over your ring. Now bring in a new cord and tie a gathering knot up at the top. Okay, so for our plant hanger, we're going to be making these sections of flowers on a vine. Okay, and I went ahead and I did the first two sections so I could kind of determine how long I wanted to make each section and just to save a little bit of time for the tutorial. Okay, but what we're going to do is find 4 cords for each section. Okay, so you want 4 cords in each section and you want 2 of each color. Now, when you start your pattern, you're going to want your 2 black cords to be on the outside and the 2 yellow cords to be on the inside. Now, take these black cords and just cross the left over the right to form a loop, and then tie an endless falls knot by taking the middle right cord to go through the right loop, and then by taking the middle left cord to go around and through the left loop. Then just pull those black cords to tighten up your knot. Okay, now we're going to take the left yellow cord and tie a vertical lark's head knot around the black cord next to it. Now on the right side, tie 2 vertical lark's head knots. Now we're going to tie another endless falls knot. Okay, so those 2 black cords are the ones that cross to form the loop once again. And now your first little flower is finished. So now we're going to tie these black cords around our yellow cords with a square knot. We're just going to repeat. So again, tie an endless falls knot as before. Now this time, tie 2 vertical lark's head knots on the left side. Now tie just one knot on the right side. Now tie that endless falls knot once again. Just like that. Now tie your square knot. And now 2 flowers are finished. We're going to keep repeating this same process over and over again until we have 7 flowers. And when you tie each flower, make sure you alternate which side has the double vertical lark's head knots. Okay, and here is what it will look like once you have all 3 of those sections complete. Okay, so each section is formed exactly the same way as I showed. Okay, you just repeat it 2 more times for a total of 3. Each section has 4 cords and they're all set up as before, where you want 2 blacks and 2 yellows. Okay, now it's time to form the basket for our pot to sit into. So what you want to do is grab 2 cords from each previous section. Okay, and when you look down at these ropes, those black cords are now going to be in the center. So what we want to do is take our yellow cords and just cross them over the black to switch places. Okay, and then we're just going to move down about 5 to 6 inches and tie a square knot around the yellow cords with the black cords. Just like that. And now we're going to tie 3 of those flower designs in a row. Okay, so once you finish those 3 flowers, we're going to tie 2 more square knots right down below for a total of 3. Okay, so this is what that will look like once you have all 3 sections complete, okay? And you just want to match the location of each square knot for each section, and it's the exact same knot and pattern on each side, okay? So just take 2 cords from each previous section to form these new sections. And now our last step is to just gather these sections together with a gathering knot. Okay, so we're going to tie 1 more gathering knot right at the bottom. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.